Hey friends, Kevin here with this Ivation portable outdoor shower. I have high hopes for this. I know some other people who have one of these and it has held up well for them. So let's get this out, show you exactly how this comes, see what we have to do to assemble it, get it up and running. There is going to be an instruction sheet and warranty card inside. So this part here is going to be the pump. This is weighted, which is good because you need it to sink down into and to the bottom of whatever you are using for your water source. In this little package, you're going to have a standard USB charger, you're going to have a suction cup, and you also have a little hook system here. So you have different ways to mount this shower head so you don't have to hold it all of the time. Give you a close-up of that head and our nice long hose assembly. And you're going to have a package with two little O-rings. The good thing is, once this is put together, there's really no reason you should ever have to take this apart again. So on the pump end, you don't even need an O-ring. This is just going to pop right on here, and this will go down and tighten. This little cover, which is connected so you can't lose it, is going to be where you are going to charge it. Put that back on so it stays waterproof. And there is a hard plastic connector here. You can take this off. Now you have a soft plastic one, which is going to be the on-off switch. For the shower head end, you will see a place on this hose for an O-ring. So it's nice that they provided an extra one. And that will just attach and tighten down. So put the two pieces of the hook together, and now you could hang this somewhere if you're using some type of shower tent over the door of a vehicle, and you will be able to slide this down in here and lock it. Or you can put this large suction cup on it, and then you could stick this to maybe the glass if you were using a van, something like that to camp in. Slide this down in here and lock it so it would, again, you don't have to hold that shower head the whole time. Now you should be able to get multiple showers out of this between recharging it. It comes partially charged, so we're just going to use it like it is. Let's test this thing out, see how much pressure it has. So here we are with a bucket of water. We'll just submerge this, hit the switch. That's going to be quite sufficient. I'm confident this is going to do exactly what I want this to do when I'm out camping.